Alright guys, 2024 season's just around the corner. Gonna do a little bit of a what's in my bag here today. Gonna work our way from bow hunting to rifle to muzzleloader. Y'all drop a comment, tell us what y'all's favorite piece of gear is here today, and we'll get right to it. Alright, first gonna start with our bow season gear here. We got our Realtree flip vest, really nice for hot weather, really durable, really comfortable. Also have the Scent Lock button-up long sleeve shirt. Also really comfortable, really good for hot weather. And then also good for mid-40s type weather. We have our Cabela's thermal heavyweight shirt. It's a really nice 1/4 zip. We also have our Browning fleece line zip up. Really good, really comfortable. Also really good for that mid-40s type weather. I use it a lot in early rut. Really nice. We also have my favorite piece of equipment here, or clothing I guess I should say, the bucket hat. Also really nice is the Scent Lock pants. Really good for hot weather. I usually layer a lot, so I mostly use these in early October. Sometimes I use them in late October, mid-November. We also have the Browning's Legendary Gloves. They're really nice for hot weather when you just need a little something to keep your hands warm. We also have the Huck Fishing face mask. Really comfortable, really nice. I use that with my bucket hat. It's really nice because I use my bucket hat and it just slips right over it. So, and then to round it up, we have the Flexstone Grunt Call. Had great success with it in the past. I use it a lot. All right, now we're gonna move on to the muzzleloader and rifle gear. First I have the Alps Outdoor Z-Pack. It's a very comfortable backpack. Has a lot of space even though it's lightweight and very small, very compact. Next I have the Sitka hand warmer. I really don't use gloves just because I'm so spoiled to this piece. It's just very nice, very comfortable. Next I have the Under Armour Storm version 2. They're really nice bibs, very comfortable. They're very heavyweight, but they're also very comfortable, very durable. Had them for almost 3 years now, and I really don't have any complaints. Next I have the Redhead Orange Vest. It's a flip vest, so it's really nice. Has multiple layers, very comfortable. I use this a lot in muzzleloader season and rifle. I even use it in bow season just because it's a really nice vest and I can flip it. I don't really need the orange in the bow season, but I still use it. And then last I have my Twisted X lace-up boots. Very comfortable. Had them for 2.5 years. Very nice. Really don't have any complaints either about those. Very, very comfortable. So that's gonna wrap it up. Like I said, comment, tell us what your favorite piece of gear was. Like the video. Have a good day.